So in this video, we're going to see how to install Phantom on our computer, because to work with decentralized finance, we need to have at least one decentralized wallet. The one that we're going to be using is going to be Phantom. Let's get it done. So you go to the URL and then you type phantom.app, enter. So now it's going to open the Phantom website on your computer. So you click on download here, and here it's going to help you to choose the browser that you're working with. My browser here is Chrome, so I'm going to click on Chrome here. Okay, then it's going to ask you to add to Chrome, so click on add to Chrome here, and then you click on add extension, and then you sit and you relax and you wait. So what it's doing now is downloading the wallet on my browser. So it's going to take a little bit of time to do that download and the installation of the browser on my wallet. So you just have to sit and relax, wait until it opens another web page. Okay, the new web page just got open. So here you have two options. You can create a new wallet, or you can import an existing wallet. So now we're going to create a new wallet. So create a new wallet, and then choose the password. Okay, then I agree, and then I continue. And then they want me to save my my words, my recovery words. So I'm going to take those recovery words down. So here, okay. So you need to save your recovery word. You have to write them down somewhere where you can have access to it easily, because if you lose your password, the recovery word are going to help you to recover your account. So I click there, then I get started. And now that's how you install Phantom on your computer. Now you just have to come to the extension here. You click on Phantom here, and then you enter the password. Understood. So here you have 4 accounts. So you have 4 blockchain that you're working with: Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and Bitcoin. So you can manipulate any of the crypto from those blockchain, no problem at all. So that's how you install Phantom on your computer. Now, if you want to receive money, or you want to receive an asset on your wallet, just click on receive here, and then choose the network that you want to use. I want to use Solana, so I'm going to take the address for Solana. I copy that. Now I'll go to the place where I have my Solana, and I'll send them here to work. So that's it for how to install Phantom.